So we are told that we have two triangles here, ABC and DEF. And we're also told that they are similar right triangles. That's important. So they have a right angle in them, for one thing. But even more important than that is this word similar. And if you remember what the word similar means, that's the key to this problem. It means one of those triangles looks like the other. It's just that their size is different, but their angles are all the same. So maybe this is what they look like. Maybe there's one, and maybe here's the other one. But you see, they look similar. It's just that the size of the triangles is different. One's a bigger version of the other one. And they tell us that the side lengths are in the ratio of 2 to 5. So if the hypotenuse of the larger triangle is 16.8, and I'm going to put my 2 to 5 ratio right here. If the hypotenuse of the larger one is 16.8, what's the hypotenuse of the smaller one? Well, it has to be in the same ratio. This is a ratio problem. 16.8. So there is where I put my larger triangle, because right here is the larger components of the ratio. And I want to know what the smaller hypotenuse is. So that's going to be whatever term goes up here. And one way you can do this is eliminate some things that are unreasonable, right? I know that the smaller hypotenuse can't be bigger than the larger one, so that means 41.9 is just ridiculous. And 15.1 also looks really too big. It should be a good deal smaller than the largest one. So if you've narrowed it down to 3 choices and you're out of time, you just need to make a guess, go for it. That's better odds than 1 out of 5. But I think we can do even better than this. Let's call this X. And I'm going to say we're going to solve this by, well, first let's clear some space here. You guys go away, go away, go away, go away. So let's solve this like we would an equation. And I'm going to multiply each side by 16.8. Okay, 16.8 over here. And that means these are going to cancel out. And I have X equals 16.8 times 2, all divided by 5. So you punch that into your calculator, and let's see what we get here. We get 16.8 times 2 divided by 5. Well, that's 6.72 equals X. And they're asking for approximate, so it's not going to be exact, but here's your answer right there. Key point of this problem, similar triangles. Okay, that means two triangles that are the same rough shape, but one's much bigger than the other. And the other concept of ratios, 2 to 5.